So I'm about to reveal the Facebook strategy that made me 3.9K in a single day. Okay, so this is super straightforward and super simple. So I'm going to show you the 5 steps that you have to follow to sell any product online using Facebook, Facebook profile, and the Facebook group. So before we start with these steps, just to make sure you need to have Facebook profile and you need to have Facebook group. Okay, so this is completely free. You can create a Facebook profile. If you have one, you can use this one and then also create your free Facebook group. So the first step is adding friends. So you need to add targeted audience to your friends list, right? So if you have family and friends on your list that you hang out with, they will not buy what you have to offer. Okay. So you need to go to the places on the Facebook where you can find people who are interested in your niche. So either you can go to the Facebook groups, to different Facebook groups, and you can add people from there, or you can, for example, go to different Facebook ads in the Facebook ad library. And then also you can see people who engage with ads that are in your niche. You can add people from there. You can see who are celebrities, like let's say celebrities, successful people in your niche. You can see people who follow them. You can also add them from there. Okay. And once you have the pool of the people that are really targeted for your niche, then you can start going to the Facebook suggestions and also start adding people from there. Because now you have pool of the people who are actually interested in your stuff. Okay, so that's the first step. You need to have Facebook profile, Facebook group, and you need to start adding people to your friends list. Okay, so just to show you, you can go to the Facebook groups and whatever is your niche, like whatever you sell, whether that's affiliate product, your own product, it doesn't matter. Just go here and just type whatever is your niche. So for example, fitness, right? So I can go with this and I'll have here now the fitness group. So make sure these are quality groups. They post regularly. So it means they're active groups that people are engaging. Okay. And then join these groups. That's it. So make sure they're active. People coming into this group, people are engaging, and then just join these groups. Once you're going to join these groups, you're going to have here on the left side all of these groups. Okay. And then you can enter that group. So let me show you. You can enter one of these groups. And then you can see people here engaging, okay? And you can also engage with these people here. And then also you can just send a friend request with people that you're engaging with, okay? So you can answer the questions here if you can help. You can also post here if you want. And then people actually notice that you exist in this marketplace, right? And you can then send a friend request. And some of them will actually send a friend request to you. Okay. So this is how you get people on your friends list. So that's the step number one. Step number two, you have to invite now these people to your Facebook group. Okay. So you're going to have the Facebook group and you're going to have to invite them to your Facebook group. Now, make sure that you have something valuable in the Facebook group, whether that's free training, whether that's free ebook, whether that's whatever that is, make sure it's valuable and make sure it's free. Okay, so this is your bait. This is what you're going to use to actually get people to your group, right? There has to be a reason why someone should join your group. Maybe you have live coaching sessions every week. Maybe you have free course. Maybe you have free ebook, right? So you must have something that's going to actually be appealing to your targeted audience. So how you can invite people to the Facebook group. So there are many ways. I'm going to show you just a few quick ways how you can do this. Of course, you can do this one-on-one, go to the messenger, right? And you can just literally chat with them and invite them to the group. Okay, so if someone accepted your friend request, you can just send a message, thank you for accepting, and then you can just see what we're working on, and you can invite them to the group if you feel that this is a fit for them. Okay, or what you can do, you can put here on the profile, you can put here the link of your Facebook group, and you can say what you have in the group, right? So I put that I have a free course in my group. Know people that will, for example, read in my content, and if they like my content, they can, or people that are going to check out my profile, right? They can click on my link and they can join the group, right? So that's just the one way how you can do it. Like I said, the first way is sending the DMs, but also what you can do, you can, for example, create a lead magnets, right? Short lead magnets, one page blueprint, and then you can offer here on the Facebook profile. Okay, so just finish free blueprint how to do XYZ. Who wants? And now people will raise hands, and now you can send them the link of the Facebook group. You can say, to get this blueprint, access my free Facebook group. Now they're gonna start joining your Facebook group. Okay, so that's just another way how you can do it. Or also what you can do, you can put a link here in the comment or a Facebook group. But if you do this, then you will not have the high engagement on your post. Okay, and if you don't have a high engagement, then Facebook will not push this post further. Right? They're gonna just click the links instead of the commenting. So that's why it's better to actually people to comment and you send them then the link that actually take them to the Facebook group, to that lead magnet blueprint, whatever you have. Okay. So that's how we can get people quickly to the Facebook group. Now, once they join the Facebook group, what's going to happen? You're going to set up the membership questions. So here, you can set up to 3 membership questions. That means when people join the group, before they actually get into the group, they have to answer the membership questions. And you can set up to 3 different questions. You can ask them, you can ask them whatever you want to ask them, right? What they're working on, what's their goal, what's their challenge, and all of these things. But here's the key question, right? Where you're going to actually ask them if they want your help, right? You can say, I help people with this, 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 and this. Would you like me to reach out to you and show you how I can help you, right? Now you have this question here. You can also have one question where you collect emails, where you can say, hey, I have a free thing. Would you like me to send you? If yes, put your email, right? But this is the key question where we ask, like, if they want our help. So as you can see here, this guy came to my group. As you can see, this person came to my group and this person answered, yes, I want that you reach out to me and see how you can help me. Now, immediately, we are in the position of the authority where they actually ask for our help, right? Without actually we chasing them or, asking them directly if they need a help. Now we are in the position where we can reach out to them because we have the permission and we have the reason to reach out. And that reason is actually to talk about how we can help them. Now, what you can do, you get into the messenger, you start chatting with them, you just qualify them, like you ask what I do, what I'm working on, right? What's their goal, what's their challenge. And then if you feel you can help, then either you can send the offer, right? You can send this through the messenger, like a Google Doc. Or if you feel that you have to jump on the call, you can jump on a call and you can ask more questions and then you can propose your offer, whatever that is, right? If you have some high ticket offer, right, that's $1,000 or more likely, like if you don't have huge authority, a lot of results, testimonials, you're gonna have to jump on a call. But if you have something that's mid ticket, low ticket, you can just send them through Messenger. Okay. And this is how you can make sales. And this is how I made 3.9K in a single day, also multiple 1K plus days with affiliate marketing and also selling my own product. So it doesn't matter what you sell, like this works for affiliate marketing. I use that for affiliate marketing and for my own products. Okay. Now, also, this is an organic way. This is an organic way, but also what you can do, you can also create a Facebook ads, very simple Facebook ads that actually will get people to your group. Okay, so you can create a Facebook ad. I'm going to show you. So I use here affiliate marketing course, and this course is in my community, and I get a lead for $1.69. Okay, so this is very simple ad. I actually tell them, hey, I have the free course. If you want access to this course, join my community. In this way, I collect emails and also I get people to my Facebook group. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple ad. I said I put a free course for who. It's going to show you how to do X, Y, Z. Okay, and then here is the mock-up of the course. They click on the link, so I'm going to show you the link. So here is the link. If they click on this, they will go to the opt-in page. I'm going to collect the emails. So build my email list simultaneously. And then here I have congratulations, click below to join the community and access the free course. So they click here and they go straight to my community. They have to answer membership questions, okay? So yeah, this is how you can sell any product you want, whether that's affiliate, whether that's your own, or whether that's coaching. Now, if you want my full strategy how this works and all of the templates and the scripts, click the link below and join my free Facebook group.